Hi students, this is Sivakumar, 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 1, continuation of exercise 1.2. In 1.2, problem number 1, subdivision number 5. On the set of all natural numbers, the relation R is defined by x is related to y if x plus 2y that is equal to 1. Set of all natural numbers, this is a statement, x plus 2y that is equal to 1. Okay, here is a statement. Here x and y both belong to set of natural numbers. Okay, here we can start with the reflexive. You know very well. First one, statement followed by relation. Here you have to consider only one element. We can consider x alone. Okay, here is a statement x plus 2, even y should be replaced by x only. Already I told you have to consider only one element. Y should be considered as x only, that is equal to 1, which implies x plus x, that is 2x that is equal to 1, x that is equal to 1 by 3. What I have mentioned here, x and y both belong to set of all natural numbers. Here x that is equal to 1 by 3 doesn't belong to natural number, it's a rational number. Then relation, have to mention x is not related with x. X is not related with x. This one is it is against the given statement, so that you have to mention not related, which implies or is not reflexive. Okay, here you are given x plus 2y that is equal to 1, x plus 2y that is equal to 1. From this equation, from this statement, I find y. So 2y that is equal to 1 minus x, which implies y that is equal to 1 minus x by 2, 1 minus x by 2. For every x belongs to natural number, y doesn't belong to natural number. What is the reason? For example, I take one or two examples you can understand. When here x and y both should be the natural numbers, I take x that is equal to 1. 1 is a natural number. Substitute x equal to 1 over here. Find the value of y. Therefore, y equals 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 2 that is equal to 0, 0 doesn't belong to natural number. Even I take 2. If I take x equals 2, y that is equal to, replace x by 2 over here, 1 minus 2 divided by 2 that is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is also a natural number. So minus 1 by 2 doesn't belong to n, etc. So each and every case you are getting the value of y that is not a natural number. Therefore, x is a natural number. Even though x is a natural number, y is not a natural number, means that relation is an empty set. So no such number x is related with y. So or is an empty set. Have right, or is the relation or is an empty set. the relation. Now note, already I explained the previous class. Look at that seventh one, illustration 1.4. Seventh one, what is given? An empty relation can be considered as symmetric and transitive. An empty relation can be considered as symmetric and transitive. I write here an empty relation. Empty relation can be considered as symmetric and transitive. Because no such element in R. So for proving symmetric and transitive, no such element is in R, so we can say that is a symmetric and transitive. So subdivision number 5 also over. Finally we can write the result. Therefore R is, this is a final result, R is not reflexive symmetric and transitive. But you can include that word but. Or is not reflexive but symmetric and transitive, since by note, the above note. Okay. So subdivision 5 is also completed. Question number 1 is over. I'll be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children.